Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Can't get too many better trades than this one, guys. This is his RNAS. Look where it was in the pre-market, 61 cents, 62 cents. And before it had a pullback of any sort, it just went from basically 60 cents all the way up to $3. Well, actually, it got up to here, up to 320 before it finally started to pull back. You know, this might in fact have some action later on in the afternoon. Now, of interest, this one, this one showed up. I haven't talked about this too much, but this is our market scope. This is from our new website. All you have to do is click on market scope and you'll see, the biggest gainers delivered to you right off the bat. And there's the RNAS sitting right there for you. So if you don't want to really create your own scans at all, you can take a look at this. There are other things in here, of course, top lists and alerts, but the market scope, probably a good place to see just the stocks that are moving the most. Alrighty, guys, I want to get back into the trading room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.